We are here at Home Depot showing you the latest, greatest Father's Day deals. Because Father's Day is coming, you know, this June 16th. So you have some deals that are only good until the 19th. So let's take a look at what we've got. Now, something else I want to point out to you. Home Depot is doing the same thing that Lowe's did, wherein they took certain buy one, get one deals like the Ryobi Days and these Milwaukee buy one, get ones here, and they're calling them, you know, basically Father's Day deals. These are actually running until July 14th. So they're not really Father's Day, so you don't really have to rush in to get them for Father's Day. And they're making it look like it's only these three tools, but you really do get a whole bigger selection of tools here. And see, there's your deal right there. Good until July 14th. The way this deal works, and remember, I showed you all of this at Memorial Day, so if you go look at my videos on Home Depot from the Memorial Day and Ryobi Days time frames, you'll see much more detail where I went through every one of these. I'm not going to go through every one of these again for you. You can go see that video if you want to find out more. But basically, if you spend $2.99 and get this 2-battery starter kit here, which comes with an XC 6.0 2 batteries and a charger. If you pay $2.99 for that, you get to pick one of these tools for free. So that's how that works. And then looking over here in DeWalt land, we have a Father's Day deal going on a 2-tool combo kit on the Atomic series. So this kit is normally $229 and they've dropped it down to $169. So this has in the kit here an impact driver, a drill driver, and two 2-amp-hour batteries included here in this deal. And of course the bag and everything. So this is a great gift to get for your Father's Day gift ideas if you're looking. So for Father's Day gift ideas, this is a great gift for Dad because this is a new lower price. Now it says here while supplies last, and apparently this deal will end on the 19th, even though it says new lower price. Yep. But I think this is a temporary new lower price. So there's the kit right down there behind the cage. Home Depots have become looking more like Cell Block D at Alcatraz than a hardware store. That's the sad fact of life, folks. This is a drill driver, not a hammer drill. Okay, so it's still a good driver, and you can still drill through concrete using concrete bits, but it just takes longer. It can take you a minute or two to drill through concrete if you have to. But with a hammer drill, you can do it in 5 to 10 seconds. So let me point something out interesting about this deal here with the DeWalt. So here you got your two 5-amp-hour power stack batteries, and you can see they dropped the price from $299 down to $229. However, as I showed you in my Lowe's video last night, for Father's Day week only, if you buy this same deal over there for $299, you get to pick 2 tools for free over there. So make sure you go check out that video from last night, because you can get a lot more bang for the buck over there for the same 2 batteries. Let me tell you something. Every time I come in here, you know I'm going to go down the clearance. What's our clearance? Over. And man, today it was looking pretty fruitful. I'm seeing some yellow for a change. So check this out. We got this DeWalt 20-volt bandsaw here, down to $203 from $289. And they've also got here, look at this, 15-degree coil roofing nailer. And this one is marked down to $389 from $439. And remember to always get your Home Depot employees to scan these on the actual Home Depot scanner that they carry, because sometimes the prices drop. They don't update these stickers, and oftentimes we find the prices are much lower than the sticker. And here we got a lot of these Ryobi 18-volt shear shrubbers. These right here are down to $71 from $99. I actually own this one. I like this Ryobi edger here because it's the only one that has more than 2 wheels. It's still not as stable as my old Craftsman gas-powered edger. However, it is still pretty decent. It does a good... This kit here comes with a 4-amp-hour battery and a charger. And look at that price. Wow. So they basically took $130 off on this one, man. See if you can find this by your house. And likewise, in the alleged Father's Day flyer, they have the Ryobi deals. But all these really are the Ryobi Day deals that I already showed you in a Ryobi Days specific video that I uploaded a couple of weeks ago. I think it says like Ryobi Days / Father's Day gift ideas. So look for that video if you want to find out more. But I'll just show you and basically what it works out to be. And that is if you get this battery starter kit right here, which is 2 4 amps and a 2 amp hour battery and a charger, if you buy this for $199, blah, 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 there's a whole bunch of free tools. You get to choose one tool free. Now, I should point out to you, this charger deal is not as good as the one that they had last year. I think last year, if I remember correctly, the kit that they had last year, it was a 6 and a 4 and a 2, not 2 4s and a 2. So shrinkflation is kicking in, or some people also call it Joe-flation. But every time I say Joe-flation, people go, you don't have to get all political, blah, 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 blah. I'm leaving your channel, I'm unsubscribing, blah, 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 blah. People just don't have a sense of humor. And this brushless vac is turning out to be a popular one, too, to get with this buy one, get one deal. Because otherwise, you would pay $199 for this vacuum. And the Ryobi Days deals are dwindling down pretty quick, too. These stats were much higher when I first showed these a few weeks ago. This is the cheaper deal. This is the $99 deal. So if you pick up this kit here, which looks like it has a 4 and a 2 amp hour battery in that kit with the charger, if you pick that up for $99, you can choose any one of these other free tools. The fan, unless you were looking specifically for the fan, like if you were looking for the mister, you want to make sure you're buying that. So don't just buy this thinking, oh, this is the mister, because it's not. This is a hybrid fan, because you can see this one runs battery or corded, or even the DeWalt one does not run corded. But my older version of the DeWalt fan that I have does run with a cord, but the newer DeWalt fans do not accept the cord. They're battery only. Now, here's another good deal that's not in the flyer for Father's Day here at Home Depot. This is just a price reduction. So this right here is the Ridgid 12-gallon wet-dry vacuum, and it's $20 off down to $79.98. It's now 12-gallon is okay. It's a good size because it's not too big. The 15-gallon I used to have was just taking up too much space, and I don't need it. I actually bought that DeWalt 8-gallon one at Costco, which was the one with the steel body, and I really love that one. If you saw my laminate flooring video that I uploaded back in January on how to install laminate flooring, you'll see I used that DeWalt vacuum in that video. Hey, and guess what, folks? This isn't even in the flyer, but some new Ridgid deals just debuted here last week on June 3rd. And you can see they went up on June 3rd, and they're going to run until July 21st. Now, I don't know why they didn't show these deals in the Father's Day flyer, but some of these are pretty significant. So, for example, I used to own this particular Ridgid table saw. I love this thing, the 10-inch portable table saw. I love it because it folds up and rolls away, man. Real easy to deal with. And it's $4.99, down from $5.49 at the present time with this sale. And then you can also get the 12-inch dual bevel sliding miter saw. And they're not saying how much of a discount it is, so I don't know that there really is one on this one at the moment. But $3.99 is not too bad, because I would much rather get, of course, the $5.49 DeWalt, because it's $100 off. They actually ran out at this store, I think. See, now I think Ridgid shot themselves in the foot here, because they should have had these deals up in Memorial Day like everybody else did. Here we thought they were sitting this one out, and they were just late to the party. But basically the way this works is you can buy this 2-pack of the 4 amp hour batteries right there in the battery starter kit. If you buy that for $169, you get to choose from any one of these for free. So this is that kit right here. So you buy this guy for $169, and you get to choose the circ saw here, or you can get here the brushless impact wrench, or you can get this reciprocating saw right there, or you can just simply pick yourself up another 6 amp hour battery if you were looking for some high capacity. So that's how that buy one get one free tool deal works. Home Depot. So if you know your dad has some Ridgid tools, this would be some great tools to get for him. Plus, 2 extra batteries. Everybody can always use a couple of extra batteries. And then you can see here on some of the selected combo kits, they've taken anywhere from $50 to about $80 off. You can also get here this. This is a 2-pack of the 18-volt 4 amp hour batteries right there for $99. So yeah, these are about $70 off. It's a good way to acquire a couple of extra batteries. But if you're willing to spend that $169 amount anyway on getting this charger kit, then you'll walk out of here with an extra tool. So that's something you want to sit there and decide, well, which one do I want to get here? Which gives me the most bang for my buck? Now, Husky also has a bunch of deals, but I'm just not a fan of their Husky bags. I had a plumbing bag from them, and it basically, the handle broke the 4th time that I lifted the bag. So the quality is just not there. Now, they do have this here, the 3-ton low-profile quick lift jack. Now, everybody has their own definition of low profile, and I'd like to see exactly. So if you know, hey, let us know in the comments below. But yeah, my Mercedes is pretty low to the ground, and the scissor jack that it came with couldn't handle the deal when my wheel fell off and the car was too close to the ground. I had to call my friend who brought over a jack kind of like this one. And then here in the barbecue grills, I'm going loco, because you remember these. I showed you this at Memorial Day, and these are cool. These have these blue LEDs that are here. Now this one here is $100 off for Father's Day. They had the same deal at Memorial Day, and as you know, it ended after the Memorial Day sale. But Home Depot has brought this deal back again for Father's Day, and you can see it's only from June 6th until the 19th. So Home Depot must have got together with Lowe's, because all the deals at Lowe's are the same thing. They run from June 6th through the 19th for Father's Day. It's just a convenient way to end it on a couple of days after Father's Day. Now this is the smaller 2-burner Smart Temp griddle. Now this one is not in the Father's Day flyer here at Home Depot, but it is on sale. So this is the 3-burner version of the griddle. So it's got a much larger cooking surface on there for you. And it's not really on sale, but they did lower the price $100 down to $5.99 from $6.99. And then another good Father's Day deal here that is in the flyer here at Home Depot is this Next Grill Pizza. So this right here is the exclusive Aura 12 portable propane gas pizza oven. So you hook your tank up to it. So you could take this with you to the baseball games or football games and do some tailgating with it. And here it is. It's $50 off, as you can see, down to $199. Now, I've always wondered why pizza grills are so expensive. I think it's just because everybody wants to get their hands on one. But this one here is relatively cheap compared to this other one over here, the Gosney, the Rockbox pizza oven, because this guy's like $4.99 here. That's a lot of money to shell out for a pizza oven. And if you think that's expensive, just check out this Arc XL propane pizza oven. This one's $7.99. Now, I want to show you a couple of other grill deals here that are not in the Father's Day flyer here at Home Depot. And these are pretty much while supplies last special buys. So this grill here, this is from Traeger. This is the Pro 780 wood pellet grill. So this makes wood-fired cooking simple. And it's got digital on there as well, and your pellets go right in there. So look at that, man. So you save $200. And then if you want to get the smaller one, here's the Pro 575, is also $200 off while supplies last. So you want to make sure you get down here and check your stock on these. And then, of course, they have the Weber Spirit grills. So these are the 2-burner grills. They've got these marked down from $4.99 down to $4.49. And remember, these are good until the 19th. And another great deal, I own this at home. This is an awesome fan. I love this from Ryobi. This is the misting fan. It's a bucket fan. So you put this on top of one of the Home Depot buckets filled with water, and the little tube goes down there, sucks up the water, and it sprays it out through a couple of misters. So on those really hot summer afternoons outside here in South Florida, in Fort Lauderdale where I live, I use these all the time, especially if I'm filming outdoors in the afternoon. Ooh. But anyway, this kit is $99 here, and these sell like crazy here at this store. This kit comes with a 1.5 amp-hour battery, which is a joke. And I don't know if it comes with a charger, and it does come with a charger, yes. But you're going to want to make sure you have a much bigger, like a 4 amp-hour battery. Yeah, I did a review on this, so check the review, and it even shows the battery life on that review. But anyway, if you check out the video I showed you yesterday from Lowe's on their Father's Day sale, they have a deal on the Craftsman fan there, and their kit is $79 with the battery and the charger. And then Milwaukee has a couple of kits here that they had also at Memorial Day. So this is the 2-tool combo kit with the hammer drill. So this one right here is $349 down from $399, so $50 off. This expires on July 28th. And then the other kit deal they have here is the Milwaukee Fuel. This is the Impact Wrench Kit. So this is going to come with a charger and a bag and a 5 amp hour battery. And this too is also $50 off. Remember, this one has the friction ring on it. And this is down to $379. Now, it doesn't say when this particular one expires. Now, this is something cool. Our store just got this in. We've never had this in before. This is the Ryobi Speed Bench Mobile Workstation. What I like about this thing is it acts as a hand truck. And then as soon as you dump off your load, look at this. You fold it up into a table that's mobile now. You have a workbench. You can do your saw stuff in there. It does all the measurements. Nice wood on here, too. It's got things in metric and imperial. I like this one. So this is $199. I'll put a link to this down below. It comes with all the garage accessory, you know, the little boxes that you can use, the storage boxes. And look at this, nice big wheels. I don't think they need to be inflated. These are just plastic wheels. So this is called the Ryobi Speed Bench. Now, coming down the ladder aisle here at Home Depot, there are some Father's Day deals here, especially on the Gorilla ladder. So here is their 18-foot reach aluminum multi-position ladder. Now, this only has the 300-pound capacity, but, you know, for most people, that's perfectly fine. But this is down $20 to $179. And this is your ladder right there. Good. And then the other ladder deal here is this Werner multi-positional ladder. And this one is rated at 375 pounds. See, now this one here is a 22-foot reach. I have this ladder. This is $199. It's $80 off. They normally sell this for $279. And those of you who watch our channel know that 4 years ago I did a live stream and showed you when they had it for a week at $99, I think was the price. And a lot of us scored big time on that one. A lot of people still remember that. They always leave in the notes in the comments, Jeff, man, I remember getting that ladder deal. So this is that ladder. And it's a 375-pound rated ladder. And this is $80 off here, down to $199. And this is only good until the 19th, folks. And they're getting ready to kick us out, man. It's like 9:55. So I got to get out of here. I love coming in this late. It's nice and empty. There's nobody here to disturb us. All right, guys. So listen, have a great Father's Day. Happy shopping for Dad. And we'll see you guys all on the next one.